banging and swinging? It's your girl Lynn back with another video. And today, you guys, Nova had a vet follow-up appointment. So I'm actually here to pick him up. And while we're here, I'm gonna let him do a little shopping. One of his Facebook aunts, Miss Letty, sent him some money via Cash App, and so we're going to let Nova do a little shopping. We're going to get him some treats and probably like a toy. So let's go in here and get our buddy. So they got all this new Christmas stuff out. So gonna bring him around and let him take a look and see what he may want. Now, my favorite toys to get Nova are these. They real tough, and it takes a licking and keep on ticking, but these are the favorite toys, my favorite toys I like to get him. These are the Christmas ones, and then here's the other ones on the aisle. These are the regular ones. But I love these. These are some really good toys for his breed. So I just went up and let them know I'm here to pick up Nova. $116 for him to get his ears checked again, and they sending him home with antibiotics. Boy, I'm telling you, these fur babies are not cheap at all. So if you considering getting one, gotta make sure you can take care of them. So, but yeah, so he should be out in a little bit.
Right, here's Nova's goodie bag.
Did you guys check the little bite that looked like a little bite? The lady who called me, she didn't say anything about y'all looked at that, those bites on him. It was like when she came out, she looked at it and she said she was gonna tell the doctor to look at it.
So the doctor and the nurse who worked with Nova are in with a client right now. I will check with them and ask them to call you about that. Okay.
Well, did they look at it? Because I don't want to.
I don't know the answer to that.
Okay, I mean, there's no need for me to leave if I don't know the answer to what that. So
Do you want me to bring you Nova before?
No,
I find
just
out? Okay.
we need to find out first, because that's one of my
as soon
issues.
as they come out.
Okay. The reason for actually coming up here was to get a follow-up on his paw, because he had a paw injury. The paw is fine. Well, when we got here, he had some issues where it looked like something bit him, and they were supposed to be looking into that too. They hadn't told me anything about that. They supposed to have, looked at it to see what type of bite it is. So, I told the young lady, don't bring him from out of there until I know exactly what's going on, because that was one of my concerns. So, I need to know before I leave here. Don't bring him out here, and then y'all gonna have to take him back there. Get it done and let me know. Don't make me cut up by my baby. All right, we got him. See? All you need to do is calm down. All of that fighting. Look at your neck. It's all red. I'll find you some treats. Ooh, look it. Oh, we got Christmas pajamas, Christmas sweaters. that's not what we in here for today. Let's see. We got some of these treats at home. Come on, let's go this way. Ooh, look at these treats, buddy. You want to get one of these treats? I don't know. So, how about we get you some chicken jerky? Get one of those. And the bacon and cheese. We'll get 2 of those. And let's get you a toy. You want to pick a toy? Come on, you want to pick a toy? Pick a toy. Pick a toy, buddy. What you want? You gonna pick one? What you want? Get it. Get your toy. Which one you want, buddy? You see anything? Get your toy. You want me to pick it? You taking too long, buddy. Let's see. How about something that makes some noise? How about something that makes some noise? Let's just stick to our regular. Come on, right here. What about, we have the hamburger already. We got the pizza. How about what about the tennis shoe? You like the tennis shoe? Look at this one. What about this one? What about this one, buddy? What you think about this one? Nova. What about this one? You want this one? I think we're gonna go with this one. I think Daddy would like to see this one, so we're gonna go with this one. So I think we're gonna go with a couple of these as well. It says buy 3 get 1, get the 4th free. I already got 2, so I think I'm gonna get 2 of these donuts. We're gonna get those, and that should be everything. All right, buddy, I think we got everything. Ooh. Hey, no, you're fine. Come this way. Let's go this way, buddy. This way, buddy. Come on. Come on. We got your treats right here. Come on, let's go. Come on. We got to go to the register. We got to pay for it first in the bag.
The receipt?
Yes.
Print it?
No.
Alrighty, so your total's going to be $38.66. Would you like to donate a stuffed animal to Children's Hospital today?
Now we out of there. Come on. Okay, you couldn't wait till we got to the grass. Lord have mercy. Come on. You couldn't wait till we get to the grass. Lord have mercy. He was fighting. This kid don't play about going to the vet. He do not play. He do not want to be up in that spot. He was fighting. He don't play about being around his mama. That separation anxiety ain't no joke, y'all. I just, whew. But he just be tussling with me, man. He keep me on my toes, I tell y'all. Well, we about to head home. It's starting to get dark out here and it's nippy. So, let's take it to the house. So, we got his treats and his toy. Thank you so much, Miss Letty, for the Cash App for Nova. He's gonna enjoy those holiday treats and his toy. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.